coworker had a baby and it's cute.
Oh. My coworker had a baby and it's cute.
What's up with babies and being
the same
cute?
coworker?
Say their name as 3, 2, 1. Tony.
Tony.
This is my jam. I killed myself for you.
Oh, I'm sorry.
So we hear a really loud banging sound and it's 11 at night.
I think it's just, what if they're having sex?
Jackhammer. Just...
Not when you hold me. Oh, we're jaywalking.
I'm running, running, I'm running, I'm running, running, I'm running, I'm running.
I'm really energetic and hyper right now. Oh, because I had a caramel macchiato. I don't even know if I'm gonna post this as footage. Well, you are. Anyways, but Emily's doing like so much work. Like she is so hardworking. She's a straight A student. I'm not. I had a 2.6 GPA my freshman year of college. I'm making a lot of listings on Teespring if you want to buy some. I'm making rose stuff. Like you can get a mug with roses on it. You can get leggings if you're quirky. A mask because pandemic. And a shirt and some socks, some rose socks.
Red Robin.
Go, we can go. I realize I never vlog in the car with Alicia. Dora. Look how cute she is. Whole crew.
The whole squad.
Whole squad. Look at